Alright guys, today we've got something special. I've got a custom project I'm working on today. That's not really going to be blacksmithing related. There might be a little bit of blacksmithing involved. And I thought it would be kind of a fun one to film. It's just something different. It's actually going to be a piece of furniture. This is for a client of mine. He had a little collection of something interesting that we thought could be incorporated into this table. This is what we're going to be working with today. My client had some of these old beer crates that he pulled out of his collection, and they are going to make a sweet little coffee table. I love taking history and metalworking and woodworking and all that stuff and just combining them together. So here we get all three. The history of the beer crates, we're going to do a little bit of woodworking, but mainly this is going to be a fabrication project. There's our little slider unit for these crates. So if we look, you just kind of grab a hold of it and slide it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and mark the pieces for the top, and I'll cut those down to size. Gonna add one more center bar down the middle here. just to support the bottom of the crate if there's extra weight in there. It doesn't really have to be there. It'll just give it some support. So there's basically all the steel parts ready to go. I've cut a little notch in the bottoms of all the legs here. That's just so I can make a little foot on it. So I don't have a forge at this shop. I'm gonna have to head over to DeWall's forge and get these things forged out so I can make the little feet on them. Let's go. And we're back. Now we are ready to start the final assembly of the steel bit. This should hopefully be the last installment of welding. I'm just going to put the legs on and we'll see how everything works. After a lot of fussing and welding, I've finally got the basic frame. I gotta put some little filler pieces in there yet, but other than that, it's almost a table. For the fun part, let's put this thing together. just let that sit, and once all that glue sets up, I can start finishing this guy. Alright, the top is about where I want it. I'm going to go ahead and hit it with my handy dandy blowtorch. Last but not least, we're going to bring out the poly and get this thing all clear coated. Unfortunately, I don't really have any room in the blacksmith shop right now. I just got done with a show. You can see there's stuff everywhere, as usual, just a little worse than usual. So there's the finished product. I'm actually really happy with how this thing turned out. I kind of want to keep it for myself actually, but unfortunately I cannot.